What up, guys? Jason Godwin here, and today our goal is headed to New York, and we are going to see if we can build a rig in 3 days. That is correct, 3 days. And so we are headed up to New York, into Syracuse, New York today, and we are going to start building this rig for Mr. Rick. It's going to have a gas pump, it's going to have pressure wash, and we're going to build a whole rig out. Hopefully I get lots of videos for you. We're loaded up in the truck. We got the heater, because yes, it is snowing up there right now. It's got a bunch of tools, bunch of everything that you need. And so I will have lots of videos on how to do this, but this video is going to be all about the whole build rig so that we can see that you can build a rig in 3 days. I've ordered a bunch of stuff from Midwest Supplies out of Indianapolis. And so we will be up there putting this stuff together and watching us grow and watch the story of Mr. Riggs. But other than that, we'll see you in the next video.